If you've ever felt like you give a lot, but you don't always feel it coming back the same way, this is for you. Hi, I'm Lisa Tarbus, and I help people make sense of what they're feeling so that they can actually feel better. Today's affirmation comes from Louise Hay's, as always, Power Thoughts series. I bless and prosper others, and they in turn bless and prosper me. I bless and prosper others, but they in turn bless and prosper me. This doesn't mean you have to overgive or take care of everyone else at the expense of yourself. It's really about the energy that you move through the world with, right? It's about your own energy. This way you think, the way you think about others, the way you speak, support, and show up when it feels aligned and genuine. When you come from a place of openness, right, and kindness and respect, you naturally create connections that reflect back to you. Not always in the same way and not always immediately, but in ways that remind you that you're not separate from the energy you give. You're a part of that exchange. Today, just for today, notice where you can show up with a little more ease, a little more goodwill, without pressure, without force. If this helped you, even a little bit, please subscribe. I share support like this every day. Until next time, stay open, stay inspired, and don't forget to subscribe.